Executive meeting for the forthcoming 49th Karbi Youth Festival 2023 conducted at Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso on 7 January. Annual Sports Week successfully concluded at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu on 6 January. VDP committees falling under the jurisdiction of Dogmoka Police Station conducted an executive meeting at Dogmoka Police Station on 7 January. Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Karbi English Prime Time. On 7th of January, executive meeting for the formation of reception committee for the 49th edition of Karbi Youth Festival 2023 was conducted by Karbi Cultural Society at Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso. Under the initiative of Karbi Cultural Society Central Committee, an executive meeting was conducted on 7 January from 11 a.m. onwards at Longnirjeng Stage, Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso. The meeting was chaired by Chandra Singh Kro, President of Karbi Cultural Society Central Committee. Before the meeting was initiated, a homage was paid to two former activists of Karbi Cultural Society, late Pari Rongpi and Pratap England. The objective of the meeting was briefed by Bida Singh Rongpi, General Secretary of Karbi Cultural Society Central Committee. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAEC, attended the meeting as a guest along with Bida Singh Engling, MLA, Raju Tiso, Chairman of KAEC, EMs, MECs and various important dignitaries of Karbi Anglong attended the meeting. Richard Togby, EM, KAEC, as well as the General Secretary of 48 Karbi Youth Festival Reception Committee, while delivering his speech, shared the expenditures of the festival and also about the peaceful and successful conduction of 48 Karbi Youth Festival 2022. After a prolonged discussion, Bida Singh Engling, MLA, and Richard Togby, EM, were unanimously re-elected as the President and General Secretary respectively for the 49th edition of Karbi Youth Festival 2023 due to their excellent supervision in the conduction of the 48 Karbi Youth Festival 2022. A music audio titled Seng Tingniri from Langsun Production was officially launched by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAEC, amidst the executive meeting.
Irikamai yang ni bomatum Bija Singh lenga kahai la pen Richard tong bia kahai tomansi uthot ingdeng pikera sirkep lasokar bi sudun sorong ajo kata lonje phansi atum marsi artu dai kontu la pen ke kapre ka sub committee atum han ke mo irikamai itu ing dipensi kang dakon ko pen
ini itu kan kita ngasong dan kado ini cuma halo kedamtang aning kana sekian dan meser lapel tangka maha amu kita menceng lah asal kita kiki kan pun dia kan kita ngasong ini jadi long atau ini isi kan sambil do alang itu klaim ekran jalan itu mana bangsa ini ke cete pensi uthot alang itu mah tapi kamera sirkep andai kan sumsorong aja nengkan sudah ini pada itu Harman jalan itu masih pensi uthot jadi pensi.
News Desk report for Karbi Live. Like every year, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Dipu had organized annual sports week at its school playground from 3rd of January and successfully concluded on 6th of January. On the closing ceremony of the annual sports week, Richard Togby, Executive Member in charge of Education, KAEC, attended as the chief guest of the event. A.K. Deepa, Deputy Commandant of 20th Battalion CRPF, attended as a guest. Also, Father Saji Lucas, Principal, teachers, parents and guardians of the children attended the closing ceremony. Richard Togby, Executive Member in charge of Education, KAEC, while addressing his speech, shared his words of encouragement, inspiration and the importance of sports in this generation with the children. Urged them to actively participate in sports such as football, hockey, volleyball, cricket and many more, as many can avail government jobs through excelling in the field of sports. Father Saji Lucas, Principal of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, expressed his heartiest gratitude towards Richard Togby, EM, for his auspicious presence at the closing ceremony of News Desk report for Karbi Live. On 7th of January, an executive meeting was conducted at Dokmoka Police Station on various social issues with special reference to early child marriage as per the direction of the state government. The government of Assam directed all the VDP committees across the district of Karbi Anglong to conduct an executive meeting on early child marriage. Likewise, VDP committees falling under the jurisdiction of Dokmoka Police Station conducted an executive meeting at Dokmoka Police Station on 7 January. It was reported that a survey need to be launched to collect all the data with cases related to early child marriage within the last 10 years from today, as the data of unregistered and registered marriage cases of boys and girls below 18 years of age at the hospital and within the municipality must be reported to the government. Government scheme had been launched to assist the victims of early child marriage within the district. Hence, to find out an accurate data of the numbers of boys and girls with early child marriage was required. Therefore, an executive meeting for VDP committees falling under the jurisdiction of Dokmoka Police Station was conducted at Dokmoka Police Station by Assam Police. Mudhoy, officer in charge of Dokmoka Police Station, Nirmal Bora, president of VDP, and several dignitaries of the region attended the meeting. As many as 50 people attended the meeting. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.